Hey you guys, it's Melissa. Okay, we're going to make, I'm leaning because my camera's not set up right, but it's okay, it's all good. We are gonna make the most delicious Memorial Day salad in the world. It's gonna be Memorial Day macaroni salad, and it comes from my mom. It's a recipe from my mom. It's so good and so easy. Just wait and see, okay? So get ready for it. Hey guys, okay, so step one, I want you to just chop up one red bell pepper first, just like this.
Yeah.
Next up, just chop up about 2 to 3 stalks of celery, just like that. Now I chopped 1 tomato, nice sized tomato, just like that, and then add it. Okay, I chopped up 2 little vidalia onions and I threw them in.
Yo, what's up guys?
Okay, let's see. Okay guys, so what I did was I put it all together in this bowl, and it has vinegar, sugar, salt, pepper, paprika. Those are all my seasonings. And remember, with all the veggies, it was 1 red bell pepper, 1 tomato, 2 little vidalia onions. I added flat leaf parsley and I chopped it real fine. Celery, a few stalks of celery. Chop it all up real nice. It should look like this, and it already should have a tremendously good flavor. So we're gonna get moving on those noodles over there. I think they're al dente, so I'm gonna go ahead and drain them, and I'll show you what's next. Okay, so what I did was I cooled my elbow noodles a little bit before I added it to the veggie mixture with all the sauce, and then I added my noodles. And then I added about 3/4 cup of mayo. If you don't like it super mayo-y, then don't add that much, you know what I mean? Just kind of do it to taste. And then I added, I want to say about 10 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm more of a chef cook that just kind of. Okay, so what I did was I let the elbow noodles cool a little bit. You gotta let them cool before you add it. So then I added the elbow noodles to that mixture of all the veggies and the salt and the pepper and the paprika and the vinegar, but I'm gonna say about 8 to 10 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Then add your elbows, mix, mix, mix. Add your mayo. Now you can do 3/4 cup or a little more or less depending on how much mayo you like, just like that. And I'm gonna shake some paprika on top, you know, for garnish. Don't just mix it and think you're gonna go. You can't, you have to chill it, because if you chill it long enough, at least 2 hours, okay, at least 1, but honestly, preferably 2 to 3. If you chill it, all the flavors are gonna combine and it's going to be delicious, beyond delicious, okay? Now, I put paprika on mine, I like it on the top, and then I mix it up. So I kind of put the paprika in it and on the top, like that, okay? But then when you mix it, once it's chilled, it just kind of goes in it. You don't see the paprika on top so much. And then, you know, I chilled mine. So it's like this. You guys, I'm not kidding. Make it for your next party. Memorial Day is right around the corner. If I post this after Memorial Day, then the next barbecue. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. I really hope that you love this salad. I know you're gonna love this macaroni salad. It is incredible. Try it. If you love it, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will leave the recipe in my description box. And please follow me on TikTok and my IG. I will leave both of those linked below in my description box as well. I have a ton of recipes on both of those different platforms. So thank you for joining me. Enjoy.